chombero tubanza twigine tutayaye isha mwantoremwe
Okay, hello to you back again. Thank you. We sabe kamlo chenema. Be back again. Look, the first tutorial of Photoshop. Let's open up Photoshop. By me kamlo semya. Me use Photoshop the Windows. You may love to Windows is more cheap. So you may go work with the Windows no more. Any shortcut of me. Alam li zoom the shortcut law Windows. So you have when you open Photoshop, you are presented with a workspace interface. When we look at maybe workspace, and up the top you look menu please start file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window, help. It's little menus I got all work I got all some extra something on this tab. So you click them logo, open them, go launch them, look out them all picture or something, and then you got all document arrangement, screen mode, full screen mode, you want to upload standard mode, stuff, and then all these workspaces blue. Maybe the work start too much complicated something to make them stick to the essentials and make them some design intensive something work. We switching all the design, so all the design more essentials. We know one painter, we know how to paint, we know how to draw. So I don't go there too much. Sometimes I work with photo, and such some use photography, but for the purpose of this workspace, the way we work, me essential one, the most basic one. Let say I work with them. Okay, that's somebody snoring. So you got all tools. You got the menus at the top. At the right side, they got all window all stuff. Also small color, swords, styles, layer. We'll get there, we just talk about that later on. But today, for this tutorial and a few others coming in a few days after this, in a series after this, but you may look tools no more left side. We want them to say, concentrate on tools. You must learn them all. Sicil. You must learn how to use them. Sicil. Yes, the very first place to start, you will look toolbar. Toolbar. Suppose you look at by you go place by look start look tools. They click on tools. After which look toolbar, and then you got another something. So I mean options. We look Windows to let's start together. Every time you choose one tool on left side, all option will appear and up the top options bar you see list up no more default place right underneath the menu bar. So it's just some technical something low so use one tool you need to work one document. You know say use tool you must cut one document. Either one black document you want to start one something from scratch, or you got one photo, or you got one design, you got one painting, you got one drawing, you want to work lamp. You must have a document. So maybe work one black document. So let me start rush because you may need to create a one short video to upload them. So just go with the defaults, worry low number, worry low name or unit. Lego establish for the purpose of this tutorial. Lego establish but just worry one tutorial down the line. So click OK no more, and then by me come also you show him now you got one document is a work lamp. By noticing the right side layers, every something you work layers, you got one layer no more and it's locked. Let's leave it like that now. By me no worry first time. Afterwards we just talk about tool we look lo move something na we click we drag and try to move white area inusale. From here you must select the one something before you service. Before you say move, one rule of Photoshop. You say move on one object or one select one small piece something inside the design view. You must select them first. So that's where the marquee tool comes in. The one right under the move tool. So you look the marquee tool with the one you got one small black arrow here. Meaning say you got some more options. The tool level stop. So look, you click the tool after you hold up small tool level, all options all different options we stop. So you click the marquee tool to look all options. You click the move tool all options. The marquee tool all options. So when we try the first one, maybe the rectangle. Click the then the next one and then elliptical. It's round elliptical one. Second also then we got to one we never use you just click no more, you throw one horizontal selection and then one vertical, one single column. So with those in mind, maybe work with them rectangle, maybe look how we use some rectangle. Look at options, maybe try and work with these 4 options. First one left, me the normal one, rectangle. Suppose me go me choose the next one, right side, then look one small plus side. Time the first time look as me look also one mouse head or then one small rectangle. Time we choose another one, you got one big flap plus, one small plus. The big flap plus me main case of me the small plus minimum. Because me click outside there, me drag it go over low first rectangle me, we see what happens. It adds them to fly come together. Make them say go pick one. Now the opposite of that is the next one. That's when me click the place here. You look now you got cursor across and then you got one minus. So me click me drag and me come also what happens in minus them, in out them small part of the rectangle me okay, and then we have the next option where suppose me click me throw me drop go over. What will happen is small area will overlap by stop every another one way, every another area by lose. So if I'm drop me go mouse voila, you know that's something. Every another something go small place with rectangle to shape been overlap stop. So you say make them do round one. Let's say you want them Adam go with them selection. So let's just draw something like that, and then by two. So and then by use the bucket tool or the fill tool, pour on something inside them. But we're not gonna jump ahead of ourselves. Just look how that is done, and then so you use a move tool. Now we got one selection, you say move now. Click that, oh you have a shape, wow. Look around the blinking when you go click back tool where you use the marquee tool, come and click inside somewhere. Oh, you have to use the first one. Now click in it and you're done, you have a shape. Just you should play around with the marquee tool to actually create shapes, design shapes inside of Photoshop. This has been a tutorial, first tutorial with them various designs. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next tutorial.